Hey, terrific 10 crew. Ever wondered what the biggest animals on this planet look like? You might think you've seen it all, but trust me, there are some massive creatures out there you've never even heard of. And don't forget to hit that like button, so YouTube knows to send this video to all the animal lovers out there. Ready? Let's dive into the wild world of giant animals. Number 10. The enormous tortoise. You think tortoises are slow and boring? Think again. These giant ones from the Galapagos Islands can grow up to 5 feet in length and weigh over 500 pounds. That's like having a giant, moving rock in your backyard. Imagine racing one. You'd definitely win, but it would be a very long race. Would you keep one as a pet? Comment below and let us know. Number 9. The jelly gigantus, Nomura's jellyfish. Okay, who would have thought jellyfish could be this big? Nomura's jellyfish can reach up to 6 feet tall and weigh about 400 pounds. Yup, that's right, a jellyfish heavier than you. And some people say you can eat them. Who's up for jellyfish sushi? Let us know if you dare to try. Number 8. The giant squid, real-life kraken. Ever thought the kraken was just a myth? Well, the giant squid comes pretty close. This elusive creature can grow up to 60 feet long, and that's longer than a bus, folks. But don't worry, they hang out in the deep ocean, far away from your beach days. Would you swim with one? Hit that like button if you'd take on the challenge. Number 7. The hopping giant rabbit. Meet Darius, the biggest bunny around, measuring over 4 feet long. He's the size of a large dog. And here's a fun fact. He loves carrots, a lot of them. Imagine the grocery bill. If you had a bunny that big, what would you name it? Comment your ideas. Number 6. The really long cat. Cats are cute, but this cat, Stewie, was a record breaker, stretching out to over 48 inches. That's like having a cat that doubles as a scarf. Perfect, right? Sadly, Stewie isn't around anymore, but he left behind a legacy of being the world's largest domestic cat. Who else wants a cat this big? Give this video a thumbs up. Number 5. The spider you'd never want to meet. The Goliath bird-eating spider. Yes, you heard that right. A spider big enough to eat birds. It's about a foot in length and probably weighs more than your pet hamster. Imagine this guy showing up in your bedroom. What would you do? Drop a comment if you'd run for the hills. Number 4. The monster snake. Medusa. Meet Medusa, the world's longest snake in captivity. At 25 feet long, she could wrap around your entire living room. But don't worry, she's friendly, or so they say. Would you pose for a picture with this slithery giant? Hit that subscribe button if you're brave enough. Number 3. The cow who stood tall. Blossom. Blossom wasn't your average cow. Standing at about 6 feet tall. Sadly, Blossom is no longer with us, but her record still stands. Who knew cows could be that tall, right? Like this video if you'd love to meet a cow like Blossom. Number 2. The towering horse. Big Jake. Meet Big Jake, the horse that could look you straight in the eye even if you're standing up. At 7 feet tall, this gentle giant is every cowboy's dream, or nightmare. What would you do if you had to saddle up Big Jake? Let us know in the comments. Number 1. The king of all cats. Hercules the liger. Yes, ligers are real, and Hercules is the biggest of them all. He's a mix between a lion and a tiger, standing at 49 inches tall and weighing a whopping 922 pounds. That's heavier than some cars. Want to pet this big kitty? Hit that share button and let your friends know about this giant feline. Thanks for watching, Terrific 10 fam. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, drop a comment, and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next week with another terrific Top 10.